Hi guys, it's Matthew here, the Kiwi Culchie, coming to you from Skibbereen in West Cork. Today guys, I want to give you a product recommendation. This has been in the on the market for some time around West Cork. It's very local, but the guy behind this is Nathan Ward, and it's the Baltimore bacon. I really recommend this. It has no nitrates, it's dry cured, and it's done with molasses, and it's just a fantastic product. It's a lot healthier for you. It's a local product, so please, I do recommend you trying this. The Baltimore pig, it's a fantastic, fantastic local product. You can buy this in your local store around West Cork. See you soon guys, thanks a lot.